a mini training mainly for new people in our team, in our stage team that are coming in. And I'm going to show you just quickly what I do. And I'm going to take you through and do a few stages manually, show you some of the new things. So right now I'm at the YouTube channel, my history. You can see right here, YouTube history. And you can set up your own YouTube channel. And when you click on it, anything I do on my phone shows up here on my computer. So I'm going to come down here. I found a good video. And I'm just going to click on it. Opens it up. And what you do, as you can see at the top there, we've already loaded our Stage It button. So just to show you how quickly and simply it is to do a stage, we're just going to click on that Stage It button. And what it will do is pull up this little green bar, Stage It. I'm just going to click on it. Now I'm going to go back here real quick and then go ahead and stop this ad just from running. Okay. Here's the little editor button or page that comes up, and we're going to go ahead, number one, select a campaign. I've already done that. I'm going to select my TaxBot campaign. Right here, the title and the description and the link has already been pulled over by that Stage It button. So there's the link, the YouTube link to the video. There's the title. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in a few hashtags, and that just means put the pound symbol in front of some kind of keywords. This will just take a few seconds. Choke point. And remember, a hashtag, just for a little learning lesson, cannot have a space in it. So when you see the word right here, Mike Maloney, there's a space. Just get rid of that. And I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that description right in here. And it's just a little slow because we're recording at the same time. Okay, we got that done. Keywords. Let's just put in choking right here as a keyword. It's just something that people would be. I'll show you where I have all these default keywords put in. Now, what I do in the hashtags down here is I just put in the same hashtags. America, enter, choking, operation, choke point, and I'll explain the difference here real quick. And then we're going to do Mike, Maloney, all one word. Okay, the question everybody says is, why do I have hashtags, well, words with the hashtag in front of it up here, and then duplicate it down here? Well, this is for Twitter. Twitter only recognizes the title, where LinkedIn and Google Plus and Facebook, they need it right down here. So I just go ahead and quickly duplicate that. And then what I do is I always put my personal references. Now a hashtag, what it does is it just puts another copy of your video, your message out in the internet space. So it's going to put it under the America folder, the choking folder. So what I do is I just put in I just put HPN, I put in my last name, make another folder, I put in staged, and then I put in social media. These are good to write down. These are good ones. Marketing. So every one of these folders is going to have a copy. Okay, and another one to put in is just viral videos. Okay, we're done. Okay, now we have the campaign up here, and we know what the video is about. It's more about economics and how, you'll watch the video. We're going to come down here, and I already have a folder set up for Mike Maloney's videos. So we're just going to click that one, and we're going to hit create stage. So within a minute or two, this is done, and we can now open it up. And what it's going to do is it's going to have that same video. You can see it's loading right up here. I'll go ahead and click on that. We're going to go ahead and just do a manual push directly out. There it comes. And if you see it just delayed on the recording, it is coming. Okay, you can see the template. The stage is the entire website. Just like a newspaper has content, our stage has content. It's the video. A newspaper has banner ads surrounding the content. So we do too. And you can see as we're scrolling down, we got content. Okay, we're going to go ahead and just hit Twitter just to show you. And we're going to do a manual send. See how the hashtags are up here in the title. And all I do is click one, hit tweet. Real simple. I'm going to go over here to maybe Dig. It's going to pull up a Dig account, and I hit submit. Now on Dig, it doesn't auto refresh, so I'm just going to go back, and I'm going to hit LinkedIn. Automatically pulls that up, and you'll see right up here all the hashtags are set up. Pulls up a copy of the video. Hit share. Real simple. Okay, and here's another. That's another one. And let's just go to Google Plus just so you can see it. Google Plus. And right here, the trick is Google Plus does not recognize the hashtags down below this graphic. So you just do a simple copy and paste, put it up here, go to the bottom, and you see how my circles, my folders with all the people in it are right there, and hit share. Now that's a manual push. And what's going to happen is we're going to go down and set this up. You can see I'm going to hit play. This is just another video that we just did, and so we're going to see the results of that real quick. We're going to close these windows just to get rid of a few things. And we're going to hit members. Now I'm going to show you a few new things right at the top. Right here. We're going to hit My Stages to refresh the screen, and you can see a stage bot came in. See this little stage bot icon to the right? It has no views yet because it just came in just now, just got sent out. But you can see the two ones that we did. We've already got 18 people. Why? It automatically got pushed out. People are seeing that. They click on it, and their 18 people are already there. And I can hit My Stages just for the purpose of updating the page and see 19 and 20. And so you can see the activity going on right here. So let's just show you, go back to my dashboard where the graph is, and we should be able to see a little bit of a bump right there. It's going to get bigger and bigger as we do this more and more. So we're going to add a few more Twitter followers. Now, as I'm doing this, I want to show you the new features. Right here, why do we kiss? Okay, let me see how that's 0 right now. Okay, let me show you something. I'm going to go ahead and just do everything is done. All I'd have to do is add some hashtags, hit update stage, view it, and then manually post it. And you would see visitors. So I'm not going to do that right now because we just did that, but that's going to increase over time. But you'll notice it shows the campaign right here, the one we did, TaxBot campaign. That's the surrounding area of the video. And you can see the channel. It's not available. Now why is that? It's because I did it manually. See, I can tell that this is a stage bot not only because of the graphics, but it's pulling up the channel, what channel it came from, and the campaign. So let's go visit that. Campaign at the top left, and we're going to click on TaxBot. It's going to open that up, and we're going to click on social targeting at the top. See how all my channels are sitting in here. And all you got to do is go to YouTube, and we're going to click right there. We're going to go back real quick, And I'll show you how to do that real fast. We're back to some stage, and all you got to do to go back to the original YouTube content is just click on YouTube. And you can see this little name right here, Android. That is the channel name. Remember that. Nobody tells you that. Okay, so that all you got to do is click on Android, and it's going to open up the Android channel with all their videos. And all you got to do is come over here to videos. It'll open up all their videos, and see right there at the top it has youtube.com/user/Google mobile videos. All you got to do, go in here, right click, copy, and I'm going to come back here, and I would just add a new channel, right click, paste. Now this is going to may say an error because I've already done it, but I can't remember, so I'm just going to hit the little green check mark. Okay, successfully added. That means it's going to pull all that. So you can see this channel, this campaign has these channels from YouTube where we can pull videos from. This is how to add manual channels. You can also go to top channels, and it'll pull up an automatic window, and you can select whatever channels that you want by simply selecting and then hitting add channel. Don't forget, there's a lot more categories up there that you can choose. Look at the number of videos. That's what you want. Like this one right here, Google, 1.6 thousand videos. That's a lot of videos to choose from. So now you know how to do a top channel and add a channel. And to get rid of all this, since I'm here, a lot of people say, well, how did you get those default, let me click on campaign information, the default keywords. By the way, you can see since I'm at that page, there's my Twitter. It's pulling up. So let me click on campaign info, social targeting. Normally it's quick. Oh, I know what I'm doing. Click the red X. There it is. I put in the keywords, type in a word, hit enter. Type in a bunch of them, choose your background, go in here, autoplay for the second sales video, and I just show social icons, which are these right here, auto sales page, and you can lock your template later on once you want to save it and don't have any accidental deletions. Then hit save and close. Make sure to hit the red X, and then exit the top simply means save my work and let's get out of here. So I'm going to hit exit, and now you can see that that campaign, my TaxBot campaign, has pulled in 831 stages. My carrot bar 739, and you can see that the campaign is active. So now we're going to go back here to stages, my stages, and you can see now I know exactly what campaign that this stage, this video is using, this campaign and this channel, and it's gotten 7 views since it started. And I can tell it's a StageBot video where this one is a manual video. So there's a lot of little interpretation here. Once you understand this, it's pretty easy. Okay, now let's go back here. We're going to do a little work on, well, let's go with the social profiles first. Social profiles, if you have a Facebook account, you can click add edit. Let's just do Twitter. I go in here and I can add edit, and all I got to do to add one is simply add a new account. And you can see I've got my Twitter accounts. I've selected the daily bot limit. You might have higher if you've got a lower number of channels, but with my 10 channels there, that's well over 100. The reason I use a lower amount is because when it deposits 11 into this account, HBN David, then it will automatically rotate. If that had a higher number, like 33, okay, or the top amount, then it would take 33 to rotate. I'm more interested in having them rotate and still have enough to not worry about the quantity. So you can put in hashtags up to 2, hit save, and that's where all those default hashtags, and that's where my Twitter accounts, the usernames are put in. So that's the social profiles. Now we're going to go back to Twitter, and you can see it automatically comes up. Now, on my 503, which is an area code, I've already followed 133. So let's just do something different. We're going to click on 702. And I like starting with target users in a niche. So you have to pick the niche. The niche is like a category. I'm just going to put MD. MD for medical doctor. And I'm going to hit find users. Okay, what it's going to do is loading more users. Well, let's do another one here. I know a good one I haven't done in a while. Fitness. Find users. There we go. So now it's got all the fitness people, magazines. So I could follow and, follow. Real simple. Just click on my button. But I wanted to show you something else you always want to pay attention to. When you have a good top level, a Twitter account like Fitness Magazine, look at their followers right here. 400,000+ followers. So those are good people in that targeted area. So I could hit follow, but it's more valuable that I could go here, show me their followers. Now I can come in here and I've got 400,000 that I could follow. And you can see I can just hit follow, and watch these numbers right up here. They're just increasing. Okay, so you could unfollow. I'm just kind of running it through the ropes here. Okay, these are people that have not followed me, so I could just unfollow them. You want to keep a balance. And you can see that number right here, unfollowed, that's getting bigger as I do this. So this is why you should have, if you have a stage bot, you should have 5 Twitter channels, accounts. It's all free. So we're going to go up here to maybe 907. Okay, and it's going to load. Go to niche, and I'm going to put in the same thing. This is just for example. Click on find users. Now 907, if you don't know, that's my codes for area codes. That's Alaska. So I'm just going to hit follow, and I could do this as much as I want. The trick is to do it consistently every day. So I just want to kind of take you behind the scenes. And a lot of new people, they don't, when you're brand new, you just don't know how all this works. You're just going through a learning curve. You've got your image library, and if you're kind of getting stuck and you go, how do I do all this stuff? Slow down and watch the videos. Not once, but twice. They're only like 4, 3, 6-minute videos. How to repost your stages. That's real simple to do. Let me do that real quick. Now I've got a bunch of stages. Now you can see how many views or visitors each one of those stages have done. So what I can do is I can go up here to group management and stage favorites. So let's start with stage favorites. Let me show you how you get them in there to begin with as a favorite. So I'm just going to select a stage, go up here to actions. We're going to go here, add as a favorite. Okay, success. One item has been added as a favorite. So now we can go up to stage favorites, and you can see it's been put there. So what you can do, a little trick here, is you can click on this. I'm going to click on something right here. Just any one, it doesn't matter. And then you can hit auto post to social, update, close window. That will automatically close that window directly and auto post it. So we could do one more. Get response. auto post, update, close. Okay, that will automatically post it out. And you can see right here, it's very obvious for brand new people watching this video which videos are hitting a nerve. Now, got to remember on Twitter Builder, it's not about the size of your list. You want to get it bigger and bigger, of course. But you want to have certain videos, certain titles, like this one right here. 10 health benefits of drinking lemon water in the morning. What I'm about to show you is it's not me sending it out to a Twitter list. It is being retweeted like crazy. It's something that's hitting a nerve. Look at this number. Over 5,000 people have viewed that video. And you can see the normal might be less to more than 100, somewhere in that range. So that really sticks out, 5,000. And as I scroll down here, 600, you can see right there, TaxBot tip, how to get free gas for business owners. That's a very retweeted message. Right here, 800. I wonder why these are hitting a nerve, especially at this time of year. TaxBot. This is tax season. This is a little app that tracks all your tax expenses. So as you scroll down here, these are all my favorites. You can see right here, 1,000. What makes things cute? So anything with dogs, cats, animals, those type of things, people really respond. They retweet. You see right here, 1,500. The top 3 ninja marketing traffic tips. So it's pretty obvious which ones are being, and you can see right here, one of the Twitter people are now following me. So let's end up with this one right here. How the sun sees your skin. And we're going to go ahead and click on that and open it up. And you can see how this one gets retweeted and sent out like crazy. Let me just stop this real quick. Okay, as I end up here, you can watch this video, and you can see this video is like a newspaper, like a magazine, and it's showing the content of the video, and people can't help but seeing all these targeted banners that are right in front of you. When you click this tax breaks, it pulls up a PDF file. When you go down here, set up a free gold savings account. I got a lot of people doing that. Getting a free account on your GetResponse email system. This is the banner that we're watching right now. And as you scroll down, you can actually click on this self-guided tour, and it will actually take you to a 40-minute overview of our stage system, so you can see it. So hopefully this helped a little bit. I want to kind of real slowly go through and show you some of the new features. I'll be doing this. I usually try and do this every 2 days or so and sending it out there. And if you're part of our YouTube channel, make sure to hit subscribe. Make sure your team hits subscribe, because that way you automatically get these updated videos and everything. So, David Lundgren, live here at the Digital Design Center here in Ventura, California. And I hope you learned a few things, and now you've learned enough to be a little bit more dangerous. Have a great day.